What's up, everybody? Leaf Pop Break 3705. We are full dice roll. We're going 9 times. Your letters first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Again, 9 times there, and 9 right here. A up top, Y at the bottom. Again, 9 times on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Again, 9 times there and 9 right here. T-stack up top and the bottom. Again, any letter can hit right here, guys. Any letter can hit for sure. Let's print it and rip it. Good luck here. Good luck. I'll send out a notification. 3705. Oh, it's sweet. It's going to be sweet, too. It's got a lot of guys in it. Drake May. Williams from USC. It's got Shadir Sanders. It's got that Travis Hunter. It's got all those guys in it. It's a big, big checklist. We'll have single boxes and then we'll be doing some by the case. But it'll be a fun rip. Good luck, guys. Good luck. Leaf Pop. I have not ripped any of this yet. Spence ripped it all. Again, I got 1 box of that Illumination left. Tyler did not hit anything big. Obviously, if Tyler wants it, he has first dibs. But if not, Leaf Pop. Good luck here on the Leaf. Guess it'd be better if I cut these. First up, going to the B spot, Tom Hall, Blueface. I think he's a rapper. 25 out of 30. Blueface. To the C spot, Kaylee Fleming. 3 out of 15. C spot and Andrew Munn. Joe Manuso going to the J spot. 4 out of 12. Last card, Josh Brolin to the J spot. And Tom Hall hit 2 of them. 4 out of 8. A recap. Blueface. Again, guys, that is the break. Thanks for the fill.